To disable invites on Discord server, you need to adjust the server's permission settings so that members cannot create invite links. Launch the Discord app or open it in your browser. Select the server where you want to disable invites from the left sidebar. Click on the server name at the top left bar corner on the screen to open the drop menu. Now select the server setting. To prevent members from creating invites, you'll need to modify role permission. Go to Roles in the server setting menu, click on Roles in the left hand sidebar. Choose the role for which you want to disable invites. Scroll down to the permission section, look for the Create Instant Invite permission. Toggle this off to prevent members of this role from generating new invites. If multiple roles have permission to create invites, repeat the steps which I already told you for each. Once you disable the invite permission, save the changes by exiting the role setting or clicking Save Changes. So this was how you can prevent members from generating new invite links of the server.